So have a go at this then. Oh, super crunchy, super cheesy. I love it, I love it. Hello, how you doing? Welcome back to howtocookgreatfood.com. Going to be making a nice toasted sandwich today. In fact, we're going to make a tuna chili cheese. Let's just have a look at what we've got. So I've got some canned tuna there. I've got some cheddar cheese there. I mean, that's way too much. We're not going to use that at all. Little bit of onion. I've got some chopped, pickled jalapeno in there to give it a nice flavour. If you wanted, you could use some, raw, fresh chili if you want to really go for it. And there's 3 things in there. There are chili powder, a little bit, smoked paprika, which gives it a lovely flavour, and black pepper. What we're going to do is give this a little bit of a mix up and then get it into our bread. So a little mixing bowl here, tuna's in there as you can see. Now the amounts that you put in are entirely up to you. You can play around with it. A little bit of chopped onion, cut nice and small. Like I say, that jalapeno there, just beautiful. Pepper, black pepper, chili powder and smoked paprika. Really, really lovely stuff that is. I'm going to grab some grated cheddar. And I've got quite a mature cheddar. Like I say, we've not put anywhere near that amount in. A mature cheddar gives it a nice kind of sharp flavour. If you wanted chopped olives in there, could work really nicely. Some chopped parsley, up to you. Play around with this. Let's give this a little mix back in a second. Okay, there you go, mixed really nicely, ready for our sandwich. If you haven't got chili powder or the jalapenos, get a bit of Tabasco in there or some chili sauce, something like that will really work nicely. Right, let's move on. Okay, so as you can see, I'm using a brush here. I've got melted butter. Just popped a bit of butter in the microwave. I've got a paintbrush, little paintbrush here. We're getting it on. The reason I do this, because we're literally painting it on, we can get it all over all the edges. If you're just gonna spread it on with a knife, it's quite difficult. So yeah, a little tip, what I always do is little paintbrush, melted butter, and we've got all of the edges beautifully done. Okay, so 4 pieces of bread. We're making 2 sandwiches here. These are the tops, these are the outsides. So let's flip over these 2. Let's grab some of our mixture, get it in there. We're going to work it in with our hand. Again, trying to get a nice even coat. That looks good. Get a bit more in that one, I think. And you can put it in as thick or as thin as you like. That looks good. Then we take the tops. So butter facing down, butter facing up, off to the machine. Okay, so I've got one of these kind of press George Foreman types, actually a Black & Decker one this, but you know what I mean, like a press grill. I've got it on maximum heat, just put it on now. We're going to pick this up, drop it on. We're going to close it down. Maximum heat, this one's going to go for about 4 minutes. I'll see you then. Okay, let's have a look. 4 minutes. Oh yes, look at that. It's my birthday and Christmas Day all in one. Wonderful stuff. Look at that. Beautifully crispy, golden brown. Let's get them on that board. Let's get them open. Wonderful sound, wonderful smell, wonderful look. Oh yeah. Look at that. Delicious, delicious, delicious. Oh, I'm going to enjoy that. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We will see you soon. Lots of love. Keep safe.